Hello everyone, I am Alicia, and this is my slide design project. For this project, I chose to do a campaign about downtown Disney. First, we're going to look at the original ad, and we're going to see what makes this ad so great. Here's the original ad that I started out with. And we're going to move on to the typography. So there are actually two fonts in this ad. The first font is a main font that is very clean and professional and has that sense of wisdom and order to this ad. The second, it's a script font that is very personal and very inviting. These fonts are placed in a hierarchy that is very well organized and are aligned perfectly centered to the ad to make it easy to read. Let's move on to color. First, we're going to talk about the color of the fonts. So they chose a white font for this ad, and that is a great font for this ad because anything dark would have been too bold and kept your attention on the words instead of the main focus, which is the horizon. There are cool colors surrounding the horizon, a lot of blue, some purples. Those give a very relaxed and calm feeling, the kind of feeling everybody wants to feel when they go on vacation. Then you have these bursts of excitement and life in the warm colors that show out through the horizon. Those bring life and adventure and excitement and really take the focal point of this ad. Now we're going to look at the new ad and analyze it and see why it would be a good ad for this campaign. Here's the new ad. And we're going to start with the typography. I kept this typography very similar, not the same typography, not the same fonts, but very similar. It has a very similar feel to the first ad. The main font is very clean cut, professional, gives that same feeling of wisdom and order, and really makes this ad look professional. The second font is a script font that is very personal and fun and inviting and really puts attention to who this ad is all about, who this company, who Downtown Disney is all about. I have the similar hierarchy to the fonts as well. However, I did not center them. They are aligned to the center of the page, of the ad, but they are not centered in the same way. Now let's talk about the color. I kept this color of the fonts the same because it popped from the black background very well and kept your attention pretty well. But because of the burst of firework also in the sky, it doesn't hold your attention. The arch from the words actually leads the viewer into the firework. Then, from there, they're led down to the main attraction. The color of the black sky and dark grays within allow the attention. It's very cool, very calming, and allows the attention to be on the bursts of color of warm orange and those subtle greens in there. that is our main focus for this one. The colors bring the same life, the same excitement, and the firework helps with that actually. There is an addition to this ad, and that is the Downtown Disney logo. If you're going to have an ad, you kind of want them to know whose ad it is. So it's pretty important to have that logo in the ad. I did align the logo to the main body of text in a way that is very related. It's grouped together well, but at the same time kind of its own thing. This ad relates to the new ad, to the old ad, and to this campaign because of everything that I have discussed. All of the alignment and contrasts and the same feel that the typography and the colors give. Thank you.